9 types of ants that is actually coming from for us in our heads in this battlefield of the mind. And the first ant is what we call the all or nothing ants, thinking that things are either all good or all bad. It's all or nothing. Second one is less than ants, comparing and seeing yourself as less than others. Ons almal hou daarvan om 'n vergelykingsspeletjie te speel. En ons speel hom hierso. Mense weet nie as ons vergelyk onsself, hoe ons lyk, wat ons ry, waar ons bly met ander mense nie, but we're constantly comparing. Just the bad ants, nommer 3. Seeing only the bad in situations. Jy kan 'n wonderlike verjaardagpartytjie gehad het, maar die koek was laat. En jy dink die verjaardagpartytjie was 'n failure geweest, because you only see the bad in everything. The guilt-beating ants, thinking in words like I should, must, ought or have to. En alles word die heeltyd deur guilt gedryf in jou lewe. Het jy ooit gewonder, hoekom die GPS tannie, jy weet mos nou, ek is nie baie mal oor die GPS tannie nie, hoekom sy nie jou vloek as jy verkeerd gery het nie? No, she just tells you, recalculating, Afrikaans herberekening. She's not going to swear at you when you've missed the off-ramp. And sometimes we think when we miss things in life, then guilt is going to shout back and swear back at us. And these are these guilt-beating ants. I want to beat you up, literally. Baie hard op yourself. Volgende ant is labeling ants, attaching a negative label on yourself or somebody else. You label. When you see that type of person, see that race, see that type of behavior, you label them immediately. Die volgende een is een wat ek baie mee sukkel. Fortune-telling ants. Predicting the worst possible outcome for a situation with little or no evidence for it. Daai aand in Januarie, toe ek op daai bank sit, voor ek op die bank gesit het eintlik en voor die Here vir my sy woord gebring het, het ek die ergste verwag. I'm not going to see my kids grow up. I'm going to die in the next couple of months. Fear gripped me because I was fortune-telling. I had a little bit of data or evidence, but not all of it.